Finding, no. How difficult it could be to open to make the pizza or pasta or something like that. You can see speed. See the good one in this part. They are the empty. See empty.
Small percentages.
In this hole you put the seeds.
Assalamualaikum ji, what's up guys, hope you are doing pretty good. So today we are going to see how to extract the seed with a देसी तरीकाकार. तो देसी तरीकाकार यूरोप में भी चलती हैं? जी हाँ चलते हैं, क्यों नहीं चलते. सो आइए चलते हैं, देखते हैं कैसे करती हैं सीड एक्सट्रैक्ट.
This is one of the ways to extract seeds, and we are going to show you another way, because this is the way to extract seeds from the pots. So because it's a bit difficult, this is the seed of radish. So you can imagine how difficult it could be to open all the pots and to extract the seeds. So the way to make this is, first of all, with this. I don't know the name of this. I don't know. It's a roller, no? It's a kind of roller. To make the pizza or pasta or something like that. So the way to instead of open each pot is to make like this. You have to mash. To mash all the pots, and after that we have this mix of pots and seeds. So to separate the seeds, and this is all the mix with the seeds and the pots. So to separate the seeds, we use this kind of this. Primero eso. We use another strainer, plastic strainer, as you know, very useful in our bank. You can see the seed.
Oh yes.
Yeah, see? No, pods will remain up and
See,
seeds
the
will-
pot remain up, but you have the seed with made of dust or something like that. That
And
we
some,
have,
sections of
we have to separate because we don't have to preserve this with this.
So these pods are waste, right? It's wastage.
Yes. To separate the seeds,
Yeah.
and we use this.
Blower.
And this is a Baku. Baku. This is an invention for one of our mates. Yeah. And it's very useful.
Now I understand how it works.
No. You can
With,
see. You are going to see
with
how
air?
it works. How
Like,
it works. Because the thing is that speed. You can lower the speed. We have to vacíalo. And in this part is the pots and the dust. And the seeds remain
No
at
seed,
this
yeah.
part. These seeds is now, after that, because it's not wet, is put in the glass jar. So this machine help us to separate the good ones from the bad. Yes.
Viable and not.
See, you are going to see.
you can also put it in the water. So
No,
good
yeah.
one,
We put in the water, but many times some of them we.
In the case of squash, it have a very
A
thin
peel, no?
peel
Thin
around
peel,
the seeds.
Yes,
when
so
you
it comes up.
yes,
See,
when
yes.
when you
Good
clean in
seeds also
water,
have.
it's everything is okay. But when it's dry, this thin skin it separates from the seed. So this is the case.
See,
this is the small
Yes,
small
many
layer
times we
of-
no, at the first we use the water and separate, and after that when they are dry we use this
Okay.
because the thing is you see that the thing is hot. So you can see at this part these are the good one.
Good one.
Yeah.
See the good one, and this part they are the empty. That's the empty.
Ah, right. Oh,
Yeah.
these are empty.
See empty.
Okay, so we
So
can
a
separate.
small percentage is useful.
No, this no. Yes, they are not useful because they are empty.
Yeah,
They are not going to germinate.
yeah.
So we have
So
to.
that happens in cucurbitaceae a lot.
No, a lot. No, in some cases because of the pollination. If they don't have a good pollination, we have some quantity of empty seeds, but
seeds.
it's not normal. But in many cases, appears.
In case of we use pollinators, bees
Yes.
and bumblebees, the percentage of full seeds it's higher than when we made pollination. Yes.
So
Cuando se
with
te-
the insects, you have more empty seeds,
No.
or the
No.
opposite?
No,
The opposite.
The opposite.
the opposite.
They are good workers.
All
Well,
right.
they
Better
are
than-
Yeah,
better
yeah.
than us. I think they are better than us.
Ah, yeah.
We try to make the pollinations, but I think they are better than us. After that, in the greenhouse, we are going to show how to pollinate some flowers of
Yeah.
tomato. The wild species, no? There are
Yeah.
Pimpinellifolium,
Pimpinellifolium and-
Pimpinellifolium,
Okay.
and I don't know, and that's all. I think no. That's
This
all.
this kind of this machine is invented. Okay.
Is it? Yeah, yeah,
A lot
yeah,
of companies that have a company have invented this machine and they sell this machine. But when we were seeking for a machine to clean the seeds, we were the amount of money. I think five or 6 years ago,
8,000, no?
is
8,000.
7,000 was the cost of a machine. Obviously, more sophisticated. But okay, and
But this machine works
Yes.
very well. And it's cheaper.
it's,
cheaper. You only-
it's very useful. But we have a handicap that is the you can only clean a few amount of seeds.
Yeah,
per
this is the
person.
problem.
Okay, so
Yes.
this is a new version of.
This is an yes. The
We
thing
have a
is,
new version
you
of
have to go in times in.
Then we have to try because we have just finished the machine. It's not the same system, but it's quite similar. Okay, because you have in
seeds.
this hole you put the seeds. It's connected to a vacuum cleaner, and the good seeds, okay, fall down, and the
Right.
The empty
the-
one.
The empty,
we have to check
purity.
because we are testing
No, we're
the
we're
machine,
testing this kind of material.
and in this way we have make it in a continuous way. Okay, so
I think it's not easy to design also.
yeah, but,
this machine.
but well, it was designed because we were cleaning seeds in a machine similar to this one.
Right.
So my colleague, a colleague we were working with was working with us, take the idea and replicate the
Right.
machine.
Nice.
So, but it's really quite useful because years ago we cleaned the seeds here in the lab trying to make a lot of things, and it was a disaster because it was a big amount of dust here in the
Yeah, this is
Or you- or you have to go with the seeds to the field or the open field and try to clean when the wind blows, and it was terrible. So it's
no,
quite
the seeds with the nuts or pods is very difficult to extract. So we have to think about how to make it
Easier,
easier.
सो गाइस देखा फिर आपने, सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी नहीं जो जुगाड़ लगाते हैं, जब पैसे की बात आए तो फिर यूरोपियंस भी किसी से पीछे नहीं रहते और फिर छाट गाल ही देते हैं। सो ये थी आज की वीडियो, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन बाय बाय।